Okay, this ad, I'm selling these 8 pieces as a combo. People ask me what's the dimensions of them, what's the sizes, so I made a small film to show the dimensions. So there, as you can see, there are, as it looks, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the same diameter, and these two are smaller. So let's just give them a quick check. Okay, so if I zero this here and I go, I think that the hose goes up to all the way till here. Okay, so this is it. This is in millimetric, that's in inches. This is showing as a fraction. Okay, that's one. The inlet of it. This is one. Let's check the other ones just to make sure. Yes, they're the same. These are all the same from the outside and from the inside because they go in the same hose. Okay. Oh, this one is also the same. Now, once we pass this 6 here, these two are different. Make sure it's 0. That's the millimetric. This one is the same thing, the white one is the same thing. Should be. That's pretty much what they are. This is the white one. This is the green one. This is the red one. This is the straight through. This is the angled. It's another angled. It's another one. And this is the blue one.